You've been working out, trying diet after diet, maybe even skipping meals. Yet every time you step on the scale, the number barely moves. Sound familiar? It's one of the most frustrating feelings in the world. Working so hard but seeing little to no payoff. Here's the truth. It's not that you're lazy, and it's not that your body is broken. The real reason is that most people are spending hours on the wrong exercises. Routines that don't trigger fat loss the way they should. But stay with me, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple, science-backed exercise plan you can do right in your living room. No gym, no equipment, no crash diets. That can help you burn fat faster than most expensive gym memberships ever could. And if you stick with me until the end, I'll also reveal a hidden mistake almost nobody talks about that might be silently blocking your fat loss, and how you can fix it today. Now, I'm not just pulling this out of thin air. I struggled with stubborn belly fat for years. I thought I had to starve myself, run endless miles, or buy fancy equipment just to see results. But I was wrong. Once I unlocked the right approach, simple bodyweight moves paired with the right structure, the weight started melting off. My energy shot up. My clothes started fitting differently, and for the first time in years, I felt in control of my body. Before we jump into the first step, go ahead and hit subscribe and tap that notification bell. Every week, I share simple science-backed routines and fat loss hacks that you can do right at home. Routines that save you time, money, and frustration while getting you results faster than you thought possible. Let's kick things off with something you can try today. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Here's a simple starter circuit. 30 seconds of jumping jacks. Rest 20 seconds. 30 seconds of squats. Rest 20 seconds. 30 seconds of mountain climbers. Repeat this cycle 3 times. That's less than 10 minutes, and it works like magic. Why? Because HIIT is all about short bursts of maximum effort followed by brief rest. Your heart rate spikes, your body scrambles for oxygen, and that afterburn effect keeps your metabolism high for hours after the workout. Think about it. You finish your routine, take a shower, sit down to watch Netflix, and your body is still burning calories at an accelerated rate. One of my subscribers, Grace, started with just this. She was skeptical, but after 2 weeks of 3 short HIIT sessions per week, she dropped 7 pounds, without starving herself or buying a single piece of equipment. But as powerful as this is, the next tip completely changes the game and keeps the fat-burning switch on 24/7. The second key is strength-based bodyweight training. Here's the mistake most people make. They think cardio is the only way to lose fat. But cardio alone can actually make your body burn muscle instead of fat if you're not careful. When you build lean muscle, even just a little, your body becomes a calorie-burning machine. Think of it this way. Muscle is active tissue. The more you have, the more energy your body uses, even when you're sitting, sleeping, or scrolling on your phone. Here's a sample routine you can do at home. Push-ups or knee push-ups if you're starting out. Lunges, body weight only, no weights needed. Planks, hold for 20-40 seconds. Chair dips, using the edge of a sturdy chair or couch. Do 3 sets of 12-15 reps for each and progress slowly. That's the secret. Progressive overload. Maybe today you can only do 5 push-ups. Next week, aim for 7. That gradual increase tells your body to adapt, grow stronger, and burn more calories. Research consistently shows that adding strength training doubles fat loss potential compared to cardio alone. One of my clients switched from endless treadmill sessions to adding just 3 strength-based routines a week at home. Within 8 weeks, she wasn't just lighter, her waistline shrank by 3 inches, her posture improved, and her energy skyrocketed. Now, the next strategy is something almost nobody talks about, but it can quietly double your results without even feeling like exercise. This secret is called NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Sounds fancy, but here's what it means. All the calories you burn from movements outside of your workouts. Walking around the house, doing laundry, cleaning, stretching, even fidgeting, they all count. Most people think weight loss only comes from structured workouts, but NEAT can account for hundreds of calories a day. Just adding 2,000 extra steps, that's about 15 minutes of casual walking, can burn around 100 extra calories. Do that every day, and you're looking at 700 calories a week, or around 1-2 pounds of fat a month, without any extra gym time. Here's a hack. Set a timer on your phone. Every hour, stand up and do a quick 2-minute burst. Maybe 20 squats, 20 high knees, or run your stairs twice. That's it. These micro sessions keep your metabolism switched on all day long. Now let me save you from a huge mistake: endless crunches. I see people waste hours doing sit-ups hoping to flatten their stomach. Here's the reality: you cannot spot reduce fat. Abs are sculpted in the kitchen and revealed by lowering overall body fat. Instead of burning out your lower back with hundreds of crunches, put that energy into full-body moves like burpees, planks, or squat jumps. These not only torch more calories, but also strengthen your core at the same time. Now let's do a little future pacing. Imagine it's 90 days from now. You wake up, stretch, and notice your t-shirt feels looser. You step into your jeans, and they slide on easily. No more sucking in your stomach to button them up. You catch yourself in the mirror, and your jawline looks sharper, your stomach flatter, your arms more toned. You feel lighter, more energetic, and more confident. And you achieved all of this without a single gym membership or extreme diet. Just short, smart, consistent movements you built into your daily routine. This isn't a fantasy, it's the reality that happens when you commit to these steps. So don't wait. Hit subscribe right now, because the next video I'm dropping could be the one that finally breaks your plateau and accelerates your results. And if you're curious about the one thing you should do before bed to burn fat overnight, that's exactly what I cover in my next video. Let's recap quickly. HIIT for maximum calorie burn in minimum time. Strength-based body weight training to build muscle and torch fat. NEAT. Move more during your day to accelerate results. Avoid wasting time on endless crunches. Now don't just watch and move on. Start today. Even one round of height or 10 push-ups is better than nothing. By the time you click on my next video, you'll already feel the difference. Let's crush your goals together.